Hey beauties, it is your girl Jessica Nicole, and in today's video I'm giving you guys one of my Valentine's Day looks. I decided to give you guys two. I gave you more of a subtle one today, and I'm gonna give you like a colorful, more out there look for those of you who like being extra for my next video. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I get this simple look, stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Oh, if I sound stuffy, that is because I am stuffy. I have a cold. Not coming down with a cold. I have a cold. Yeah. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias. Good luck on your giveaway entries. Also, I want to do a Q&A with Bae by the time Valentine's Day comes around. Hopefully I can get it done. I did post something on my YouTube on my little page. I want you guys to comment some questions in that section down below for me and my boyfriend to answer. You guys can ask questions about our relationship, or you can ask questions about relationships in general. Yeah. Anyway, enjoy. Alright, so I'm starting off with my face halfway done and one of my eyes done. I literally don't know what I wanted to do for my Valentine's Day look. This is the more subtle look that I'm going to do, and then I'm going to give you guys a colorful one right after this one. Not right after, but you know what I mean. But this is the more subtle version for those of you who don't want to go for the colorful, over-the-top glam look, because I usually don't go for that for Valentine's Day. I usually go for something like this because Bae is not really into the, you know, what them colors or whatever. So I gotta give him what he likes. You know. You guys want to know how to do your face, or how I do my foundation look, you can check out my previous video, or you could just click what's going on us right now and just check that out. But yeah, let's just get into the eye look. I'm going to be using my favorite eyeshadow primer, which is the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of it to the back of my hand. I feel like when this product warms up, it works a lot better. Then I'm going to go into my paint pot from MAC. This is in Laying Low. I know I said I hate this product, but I realized if I use it with an eyeshadow primer underneath, I like the consistency a lot better. I'm taking my C433 from Crown Brush, if I didn't say that already. I'm just blending this on to my eye. Also, I don't put a lot onto my eye, because then I don't like how it looks. It starts to look patchy, so I just take a little bit and just blend this into my eyelid. So I'm taking my M511 and some of this Ruby Kisses Invisible Setting Powder. I'm just going to set my paint pot in place. So for today's look, I will be working with my beat up, torn up, dirty old Modern Renaissance palette. I have not picked this palette up in a long time, and I felt like this is like the perfect palette for a Valentine's Day look. Well, at least this side of it. So I'm going to use that today. First, I'm going to mix raw sienna and burnt orange together for my transition shade, because I have that little white line going on. Alright, so I didn't put down a lot because I just needed this to cohere with my brows and look as good as possible. So I'm going to take this brush from BH Cosmetics. I don't remember the number. I can never remember the number. I think it's number 12. Don't quote me. But I'm taking that brush and I'm going into Realgar, which is this orange shade right here. I'm just popping that right underneath and blending it upwards. I'm not packing on a lot of this color because I don't want the orange to be the focus of the look. I kind of want the red shade in the palette to be more of the focus. I'm gonna go into Red Ochre, which is the shade from the palette, and this is the shade that I'm gonna pack on. But I realized something with the shade. It starts to look a little weird when I pack on a lot of it, so I'm gonna be careful putting this shade down. But I'm gonna pick up my Naked Heat palette brush. I'm taking the flatter side. I'm going into Cyprus Umber, which is this one here. And I'm just gonna pack this on to the outer V, and I'm gonna blend it halfway into my crease. I have not used this palette in so long, and I'm forgetting how pigmented this is. So when I was doing this eye, it kind of started going left. So bear with your girl. Just going back in with a little bit of red ochre, and I'm just blending out Cyprus umber. Just gonna use some of my white base from NYX. I'm picking up the tiniest amount because little goes a long way. Taking my 714 brush from Bedillium Tools, and I am carving out a semi-cut crease because this is my favorite eye look. I'm taking Love Letter on this flat shader brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm packing this onto the lid. I'm picking up Cyprus Umber again with that same brush. I'm just packing it on. Oh, whoa. That one left. Oh, so I'm just going in with a little more of the red ochre. I'm just blending out this crease. Alright. So now I'm just using my NYX matte liquid liner, and I am going to do what I've been doing as of lately and creating a wing. Well, not a wing, but I'm lining out my lid and not creating a wing. So because I can't find any black eyeshadow and Tarte is canceled, I'm going to go into my Morphe palette, and I'm doing the black shade, the black matte shade, and I'm just blending the black matte shade and the liner together. For the little glitter area, I'm using my Stila Magnificent Metals in Pure something something. Oh, Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in Rosegold Retro, and I'm taking my Bedillium Tools number 708, and I'm just putting that right where the brown shadow and the pink shadow meet. Alright, so I'm using my Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Gel Liner. This is in Obsidian, and I'm lining my bottom waterline. I'm going to take this flat definer brush, and I'm blending out the liner. Just taking the same brush from before, using a little bit of Cyprus Umber, and I'm blending right underneath that. Taking some of realgar first and blending right underneath that. And I'm using that same brush. I'm using red ochre. I'm just tying this look together. For the inner corner highlight, which I struggled with, I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to use the Never Touch Up from Ruby Kisses. I'm going to pick up Maitai from Makeup Geek. Oh, god damn. Pick up Maitai from Makeup Geek, and I'm going to apply this as my inner corner highlight. I'm going to follow it with Vermeer from palette. I'm gonna pop on my lashes and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so let's finish off the face. We'll be bronzing with this Vera More Cosmetics powder in Antique Brown. I'm going to be using my Makeup Geek Contour Powder in Scandal to contour. So now that most of this is done, I'm going to go into highlighters. I think I want to go more on the golden side. So first I'm going to use my LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder. I'm going to go over it with the Jackie Aina highlighter. This is in LeBron. Alright, this is not the full outfit or whatever. It's just I gotta put on a jean jacket. But let's do the lips. I'm gonna moisturize because I need it. So I'm lining my lips with Downtown Beauty. I'm gonna use the tiniest amount of Lime Crime Prairie. When I say tiny, I mean tiny. So I'm going to use some of my Winky Lux Gloss in Romeo and Juliet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias. And I will see you guys in the next video.